He's basically eating his skin out. They do that because in the wild, if a predator sees their dry skin, they would know where they at. So this is what they do. They eat their skin. It's normal. So Bruce is A-OK. I was gonna hold him before this happened. He was all covered like that. And he bit me. And I thought he was mad at me. But he was thinking it was the skin. So I understand. Oh, oh. Sticking the whole skin out. Sticking the whole skin out. Come on, buddy. You can do it. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Bruce. You can do it. All he's using his leg to stop it. Look at that. Smart boy. He's growing big. He's getting big. We just got him on Sunday. I think it was on Sunday. So today it's Thursday night. This is post 1 to 2 p.m. So there he is. Ah, he did it. What a good boy. He has to eat it. This is how they learn. Oh, my good boy's growing up. He was having a difficult time to eat worms. He couldn't be fed by himself, so we fed him. Well, me and my girl and I, force feed him. Not really hurt him, you know. He just stands on my hands, and then what she does is she rubs her mouth. She rubs his mouth on both sides, and he opens it in the mouth, and then worms the boy. So this is crazy. So she rubs his mouth in. His mouth opens. I put his worm in. He eats the worm, and then 2 or 3 days later, he started eating by himself. And look at now, he's sticking the old skin and looking brand new and chippy. That's a good boy. So I'm gonna turn off the light. I got the purple light on. So I got the sun and the purple one. This is a new original cardboard box. This is where this came from right here. So I used the same box, covered it with dirt and a little bit of moss, wet it, and this side is the heat. This used to be my snake's tree. My brother's snake, my old brother's snake. Snake passed away. We can't find them. And this is the box for the light. So a little house right here for the hot. This is for the humidity. And look, it's working marvelously right now. He eats worms and all that by himself. He's really, really young. He's really small. Right now he's looking for parts to take out the skin out of his head. So he's looking for every edge he can find. I cannot help him right now to do that because he will get really cranky and bite me. Biting doesn't hurt. It's like a little baby nibbling you without no teeth. But he needs to learn. If for a while, for a couple of days, he cannot take it out, then I can help him and wet it with his feet and whatever, and then it will come out. But for now, he needs to learn how to be strong. He's how to get strong. Right, buddy? There you go. You can do it. You can do it. Right, if he goes in here, that would be perfect. Look at this, like a jungle in there. I hooked them up really good. Sorry for the purple light. That's the purple light going in there. That's how he learns. This is Bruce. His name is Little Brucey, and this is Demo King 18. Hope you guys like this short video, and I hope you welcome my new leopard gecko. And I'll see you in the next video. A little tired, so sorry I didn't talk so much in this video, but that's him. Oh, he has yawned. Oh, that was adorable. Wait until my girl sees this. See you next time. This is Demo King 18. Peace. Say bye, Bruce. Bye.